I got a haircut, guys. How you like it? I know it's been a while since I posted. I just had to deal with school. My grades were low, so I had to get those up, which took a long time. Homework and stuff like that. Yes. We ordered something off of Amazon, like 2 days ago. Amazon. If you're gonna buy something, buy off of Amazon. Cheaper. That's just not sponsored, but it's cheaper, and it comes in literally like 2 days. It says like 3 days, but it actually comes in like 2 days. It's awesome. I just love Amazon. It says Prime all over the box. I don't know why, but it does. So we're gonna open this up. Okay, I thought I heard something. Never use your teeth for anything. I just did, so just don't. So I'm gonna use this. Ah! Sorry, it's hard for me. Hold up. Got scissors. You in this, it's too late. I'm gonna chop out a. Now you're running like a drag race. I was on TikTok and I listened to that. If you guys want to go follow me on TikTok, it is just Darian Sellers 8. Darian Sellers 8, I think it is. Yeah, Darian Sellers 8. I only have 18 followers because I don't really post on there. This is like a finger bite thing. I didn't order this. Oh yeah, I forgot I changed it. Yeah, let me get this up. It's like a fingerboard thing. Let me get a better thing. Okay. This should be better. But we have a little like fingerboard thing. You can see, kind of see you guys. Shout out to you viewers. Why is there damage on my box? Like, I don't really care. Amazon, or like, honestly, it's just cool. Amazon, sponsor me, please. Give this small YouTuber a chance. Thanks for you guys, like, just supporting me and just watching my channel. Because, yeah. Just opening it up right now. Which way do I want to open this? Wait, what the flickadoodles? She's starting to... You guys hear that? Hold up. I'm just... Okay. Whoa. I almost dropped this. Perfect. Usually they have like extra stuff in here. What is that? Oh. I gotta clean this up when I'm done. Oh, what's up, Mama?
Go ahead and take the trash out. What are you doing in here?
I was making a video.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. I don't care if you're in there. Oh gosh. I'm trying to get this box out first. Now you're back to my place. Plus, no. I'm gonna actually take the bike out without breaking it. How do you properly take this out of the package? Oh my goodness. I don't want to break anything. I'm just going to cut it out the package. Hold up, guys. Oh god. What? Does it actually like pedal? It actually pedals? Watch this, guys. Whoa, that feels weird. Oh, that was sick! That's weird looking. Now you're back into my place. What's on that face of my... Never mind. Watch it, you guys. My tire's messed up. Oh. I am so confused. Let me back to my place. Put on your place. Hey, you, mister. Don't you run from me, little guy. Boop, boop, boop. Come here. I want to show you. Come on. Thank you. No, Sonny. Sonny, no. Ah. Wait, why are you so difficult? Stop it. What are you doing? Stop. Very good. Here we go. I'm so kind. There you go, guys. We're gonna get him some stuff later. Well, not later on in this video, but like later. Next video, maybe. Like a new cage, because people keep saying it's too small for him. We also got this bundle that's away. Pose. She got attacked a couple days, like. Oh, I love that cat. So I was trying to do one, and I'm just like, let me back. How do you, dude? Like, you really think this would be? Oh, that was a sick bar spin. Let me back. Oh, I just bar spinned. Let me back. Oh, that was cool. I know you guys couldn't see that, but like, let me back. Come on, guys. How do you like properly hold this thing like this? Like, what? Yes. Okay. Hold up. That's so like, what? There's little grips too? Let me back to my place. I'm trying to get this off, guys. Hold up. Look, there's like even like little fingerboard things. You can tighten them. Well, you can even do this, like. Can I change the wheels on this bad boy? Yeah, you can change the wheels. That's pretty cool. Be back. How do you properly like hold one of these things? Oh, I just messed up. Watch this, guys. Oh! Oh, that hurt, man. I wonder, like, you can actually blend it and let it do. Tell me, how was your life as a youngster? Ruthless. Monster. Are these grips? I want blue grips. Maybe in the next video we'll set something up. Back. Oh! No, you back. Come out this. If you witness it too late. What? This thing just snapped. I am so confused. What did that just break? I don't know why that just like did that. I literally didn't even do anything. I was just driving it. Why? There we go. Okay, guys, well, that's this video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notifications. Maybe next video I'll set this bad boy up. Probably not, but this thing broke unfortunately. But it still goes. I just messed up. Crap! I messed up again. Yeah, but yeah. Bye. It's like 11 or 10. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's 10:15, and I've been practicing with this. I was holding it like this. It's not how you're actually supposed to hold it. I need something to set you guys so you guys can see. There you go. Freaking noodles. Okay, yeah, that's not gonna work. Okay, I'm gonna do like my basic, like, I was holding it like this or something, but you're supposed to hold it like this. I'm gonna do my basic wheelie. See how long you can hold it. Bunny hop. This thing. And then another different version of this thing where you go like that. What else should I do? I'm not the best at this, but I'm just. Oh, frick, I messed up. Okay, now let's go up to my little setup. I'm just gonna put you guys right here in like a little view. Now I might mess up, so don't make fun of me. Yeah, I got a little bit better. But yeah, that's actually the end of the video.